name is Nadav Drukker. I'm a professor of theoretical physics in the mathematics department of King's College London.
My name is Fathi Ben Aribi. I'm a scientific collaborator in the Université Catholique de Louvain in Louvain-la-Neuve in Belgium.
So in addition to being a scientist, I'm also a potter, and 5 years ago I started designing my works and decorating them based on my research. Here is an example of a piece that I made. And as an artist, you're supposed to make pieces that are related to something personal, and our research as scientists is very personal to us, which is one of the reasons I did it. Another reason is that it's a way to expose people to mathematics who would not be otherwise interested in it. By seeing it in a gallery on a beautiful piece, they may be intrigued by mathematics. And lastly, cuneiforms, the ancient writing form, was done on ceramic tablets and was used as a computational language. So I'm really just following ancient Babylonian traditions here.
Interesting. Yeah. Myself, besides my research in mathematics, also I like to do outreach projects, especially by doing fictions. Yeah, I love writing fictions, especially detective stories. And so I try to write fictions and include scientific communication in them. So when I was a postdoc in Geneva, I wrote 2 theater plays with science in them, and now I'm working on a scientific game book. As you said, I really think that fiction, which also as a form of art, can really interact well with scientific outreach. Just like you said about art, I think us science communicators can find new audiences through fiction by doing our projects through fiction, for example. On the other hand, what I found when writing fiction is that sometimes if you want to write a story, then if I decide to include scientific communication in the story, it's a constraint, it's a restriction, but it can help me write the fiction because the restrictions breed creativity. So really, this is a very interesting partnership, I think.
Yeah, I agree with that point. One interesting experience that I had was during my first exhibition at a private gallery. We painted the wall black, and I wrote on it formulas with chalk to simulate a classroom or scientific environment. And one of the visitors to the gallery wanted to buy that wall.
Nice. Yeah, I think my most memorable moment in this in all these kind of projects were during one of the theater plays we did, Mystère au Manoir Moutarde. I was an actor in the play, and other fellow scientific communicators were also actors and actresses. And after the show, we went into the audience to get feedback. And there was one teacher who loved the show and also asked, but are you guys scientists or artists? And so I answered, why not both?
Indeed.